In this chapter, we discuss parallel parking. We look at parallel parking techniques, discuss what to do if the car is parked wrong, and we consider most common mistakes. You need to park between two cars that are situated parallel to the edge of the road. This is called parallel parking. In order to drive into such a spot easily, its length must be at least 1.5 times your car's body length. The space can be either at the right or the left side of the road. It is important to correctly position the vehicle within the parking place. You have to stay in the center of the spot, that is, midway between the two cars, and the distance from the wheels to the curb must be optimal. What does that mean? The fact is that the closer you put your car to the curb, the less it will interfere with traffic. But avoid getting up against the curb. You can scratch the disc or damage the tires. In addition, you won't be able to turn the front wheel to a larger angle. It will just stop against the curb. And it can be said that optimal distance away from the curb is 4 to 6 inches. As a rule, parallel parking is performed in reverse. Why is this so? The fact is that the front end of the car is very maneuverable due to the turning wheels being situated there, and the car's front end can be easily shifted left or right. The back wheels of the car do not turn, and therefore, controlling the back end of the car is much more complicated. The main point of any parking method is, first you have to set the back end of the car in the right direction, and only then pull the car's front end there. In case of parallel parking, we first set the back end of the car to the curb, and only then we pull the front part there. If you stick to this principle, you can easily park in a standard-sized parking space. In order to parallel park in forward motion, you need a parking space 2 times larger than usual.